Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a makeup tutorial on the look that you see right here. If you guys do not know, fall and wintertime makeup looks are my absolute favorite to do. I just love like the super deep and sultry eye look, so I'm so excited to be bringing you this video today. I did use the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette all over the eyes. I hope you guys don't mind, but I told you in my last video that I was going to have to use the Story Row, and that is what I did today. This look just screams like fall and Thanksgiving to me. I mean, it freaking looks like pumpkin pie on the eyes. It's super delicious, so I really like the way this look turned out. Before we get started, I do want to ask a favor of you guys. I would love it if you would please leave me your drugstore makeup recommendations down below. After I finished filming this look, I looked around and realized like I didn't use any drugstore products. Like everything I used aside from my lip liner was pretty much like higher end. And then I started looking at my drawers and realized I really don't have that many like drugstore makeup products. And I've seen some of their like holiday releases that are set to come out and they look pretty enticing, but I would love to get some recommendations from you guys for a full face of drugstore makeup. So please leave me your favorite products down below. That would be amazing. And yeah, you guys, I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And also, you know, if you're feeling it, you can come follow me over on Instagram at AlyssaNPope. I would love to have you over there as well. And without further ado, if you would like to know how to get this super delicious fall makeup look, then let's just go ahead and get started.